So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use dark mode on your trading view. How you select or how you switch to dark mode on your trading view. So let's get started. What you need to do is open your trading view, and once you open it, what you need to do is maybe it's at night and you want to use the dark mode. Is very good. How do you go about it? You just click on this your three line here and you click on your settings. When you click on your setting, you see your theme here. Just click on theme and you click on this dark mode, and it's very easy. Welcome to dark mode. Let's see how it looks like. You can see it's very easy to browse. It not affect your eyes. It's very good to use dark mode. You see everything very light and very easy, you can see. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in our next video.